This tells us something crucial. One, we remain conscious after death. Conscious ba ta? Two, we have memory and awareness of life on earth. Three, there is an immediate separation between the saved and the lost. Now, alang kanimo nga believer, the Bible gives you a beautiful promise. Diyan sa 2 Corintios 5:8, unsay gisulting Pablo, to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. This means, kini nagkahulugan, that the moment a believer dies, he is instantly in the presence of the Lord Jesus Christ. Instantly. No waiting, no wondering. Kaya na may gatuor mga pila ka days kuno na mamatay, pila ka days magsuroy-suroy pa ni kalibutan na. That's what they believe. No wondering, no soul sleep of your loved one who knew, if your loved one knew Christ, then the very second they took their last breath here, they took their first breath in heaven.